Today we're diving into the process of extracting information from documents containing checkboxes, handwritten text, and signatures. In this video, we will use DeskConnect, along with an integration with Azure Document Intelligence Studio. Here we have a document that contains some checkbox information. I will begin by submitting it to DeskConnect. I will then enable my document intelligence connection and select the pre-built document model. The document intelligence connection makes it very easy to capture checkbox information. I can then easily replace the text selected with my desired value. In this case, it is mail. DeskConnect can also handle checkbox information without a document intelligence connection using a density check. This method intelligently evaluates the data density in the mapped field box and assigns a numerical value. Thus, when a checkbox is selected, the value will be higher. I can then replace high values with the selected field male and low values with the unselected field female. Moving on, we can see that a document intelligence connection makes capturing handwritten text, including signatures, extremely easy. This is a very useful feature that has helped many clients improve their business workflows. Note that the document intelligence model can even automatically add fields to the workflow, saving users a good amount of time. In conclusion, the integration of document intelligence with FabSoft DeskConnect enables swift extraction of checkbox and handwritten data. However, DeskConnect's built-in tools are also quite effective. If you'd like to try DeskConnect for free for 30 days, please click the link in the description below.